What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bellajae, and we are going to be painting fabric. So before we get started, let me forewarn everybody. If you are gonna judge me because of my background, then please do me a favor, exit stage left. I just switched my room around because, as you see, if you see this shade that's right here, this windowsill, that window never opens up, and that means I'm facing natural lighting. That's what you're seeing coming in. I don't have the ring light. In fact, it's in back of me right there. All right, so let's get this going, shall we? So if you have been following my channel, then you know a few months ago, maybe a month, not that long ago, I bought an Etsy mystery box of fabric, and this was included in it. I'm sorry, you see that light, the glare. This is literally a sheer. This is 2.5 yards of this baby. It is white. When it's wet, it's so white, but it's a creamy white. So I thought of painting in the flowers. I also thought about using this as curtains, sheer curtains for my windows, so that way the natural light will come in, it'll be diffused and not be so bright as it is right now. You see that? Let me see if I can adjust it. I hope that's a little bit better. You see that? I think that's okay. For everyone who has an iPhone, please, I'm still a newbie at this. Let's face this camera down, shall we? I am gonna cut a piece off. Two and a half yards that I receive. You need a protective surface because I already tested this out. I'm redoing this video because I saw my belly and I didn't like it. So I didn't think you should see my belly. So I said, why not do this video all over again? So I'm using an old shirt that I do not utilize at all anymore. I've already cut a piece off, and that is in the bathroom. I washed it, I hand washed it. The paint says to please pre-wash fabric, no fabric softener, shake well, hold tip, surface, squeeze gently, let dry. It doesn't say it's a 3D paint. I really don't know how to use this, but we're gonna try it out. I'm shaking this up the way you would do nail polish. They don't want you to do that, but I don't know how long it was sitting there, and I've had it sitting in here since Sunday. So now we're gonna work on this, all right? I'm wondering, okay, so let's go in the middle of this. This is glittering confetti. Taking it easy. I'm going to outline the flower. That's the stem, the leaf. I guess if I had green, it'll be better. Okay. Okay, so this flower is outlined. I guess for an extra 3D effect, we can add the ruby to this, the confetti. According to the instructions on this bottle, you have to let it sit for 72 hours. So let's go. Ooh. I wonder how this would do on denim. And then it says you can wash. So, I mean, I'm a 70s baby, and back then when I was growing up, there was a paint called Trichem in a tube. It's under a different name now, but it worked well with fabric. Okay, so this is what I've done. Now this has to wait 72 hours just to dry. Okay, now we're gonna try with the pink on this side, this flower right here, and see what it does. I guess I'm gonna have to get some fabric brushes. Well, I did wash the synthetic brush that I bought from Amazon. It was one of my makeup brushes, but I cleaned it off and it's in the bathroom drying. So we're just gonna wing it with the tip. Okay. It would be nice to use a brush. I'll insert a clip of what I did earlier at the end, and I just had to do it because I didn't want no one seeing my belly fat. We're gonna use this, this is silver, glittering silver. So let's leave it right here. We have these two flowers colored in, and we have to wait 72 hours in order to show this. So this is going to be the end of this video. On Saturday, we'll pick up and see how it looks. I have another set that I have there. Like I said, I will showcase at the end a snippet of what I did earlier. And look at this. Let's see how it looks from the back. Be careful. But this is the front. What do you think? Comment below. And should I use this as curtain shears to diffuse the light, or should I make kind of like a see-through skirt with a lining underneath? I do have some pink lining that I bought on Sunday, and I could always do this as a layered type of skirt. So, you know, the choices are endless. I mean, you could do a robe, a scarf, anything. So let me know, what would you do with this baby? Thank you all so much for watching, and thank Miss Janita for pushing me to put out a video today, because she only comes on Wednesdays and on Fridays, and you know what? I have to thank her for her support. And you know what? I thank you all for your support. Have a great day. Let me know, what do I do with this fabric? Should it be a curtain, or should I attempt to do a skirt with this? Comment below. Later.